guys, good morning. By the way, I'm Jovi Arevalo, real estate salesperson here in Baguio City. This is one of my property that I'm selling. Tara! So, ito yung dining room, living room, and then one room plus toilet and bathroom. And we have dirty kitchen here. Okay, let's go on the second floor. Ito yung second floor. So, meron tayo dito dalawang bedroom and then isang toilet and bathroom. So, ito yung master bedroom, pero nakasara kasi hindi pwede tayo pumasok. May mga things pa, important. And then, second bedroom, here. And the toilet bathroom. Okay, let's go here. Actually, attic photo. So, dito naman, makikita natin, ay pwede natin gawin another room. And then, meron din dito na toilet and bathroom. Here. So, every room, meron siyang toilet and bathroom. So, ito na yun guys. Ito yung property na binibenta natin. Ito po yung 4 na unit na same features dun sa pinakita namin kanina. Actually, kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng property na income generating here in Baguio, this is the perfect property for you. So, what are you waiting for? Come and see it! So guys, for more inquiries, please contact my number and Facebook page. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and goodbye!